Hi all, the Town Centre Hub held a World Alzheimer's Day event on the 25th of September, and what a success it was. A variety of fantastic organisations were on hand to offer support, advice and information to those who needed it. Please don't forget that the Town Centre Hub is also collecting food bank donations. If you're able, they're particularly looking for tinned vegetables, soups, pasta and cereals. Let's continue to show the strength of our community by supporting each other. October marks Breast Cancer Awareness Month. The campaign aims to promote screening and to reduce the risk of the disease, which affects 2.3 million women worldwide. Known best for its catchphrase, "Wear it pink," the campaign is close to my heart like many others in our community. To show our support, Merthyr Council will light up the Iron Heart area of Penderyn Square throughout the month of October. Phase 1 of our annual budget consultation is nearing its end. Your opinions are crucial in helping us prioritise our council services. If you'd like to discuss this directly, we're hosting one final roadshow tomorrow, Saturday the 27th of September at Tesco from 11 AM to 1 PM. I'll be there along with other Cabinet members and we'd love to hear from you. You also have until the 30th of September to complete the survey online, so just visit merthyr.gov.uk/have your say. We're currently recruiting for our newly rebranded Citizens Panel, Your Merthyr, Your Voice. We'll be holding face-to-face sessions with panel members on Tuesday the 30th of September at the Civic Centre, and we'd love to see you there. If you're interested in getting involved, please email corporate.communications@merthyr.gov.uk and one of the team will be in touch. That's all from me this week, so have a lovely weekend and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.